In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear shock assembly on this Dodge Dakota. This is part of the rear suspension located in the back of the vehicle. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. Make your way underneath the rear of the vehicle and locate where your shock is located attached to the differential. Once you've found that, we'll continue on by using an 18mm wrench and an 18mm socket to remove the nut and mounting bolt. Once you've done that, we'll continue on by maneuvering the shock around as needed to remove that mounting bolt. Give that a quick inspection, break the shock free from your differential. Now we can make our way up to the top mounting bolt. Continuing with our 18mm socket, hold onto the shock and remove the bolt. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, let's get ready for our installation. We'll start up along the top. Align it with the frame, start in your mounting bolt. Now that we have that started in, continue on to the lower mounting bolt. Now we can swing the shock over to put it into position. Get the mounting nut on there. Once you have each of these mounting bolts started into position, continue on by snugging them and then torque them to 70 foot-pounds. Make our way up to the top, same thing, snug it, torque it. Okay friends, we showed you how to install one side of your rear shocks. When you do these, it's a good idea to do them as a pair. The process for the other side of the vehicle will be the exact same thing. Aside from that, once you have it done, take it for a road test, make sure you don't hear any funny noises, and get yourself safely down to your local alignment shop. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.